Blind spots. Every business has them. As your business grows, there's a question most leaders never think to ask. Is everything behind the scenes actually keeping up, or are we just assuming it is? On the surface, everything looks fine. Systems are running, people are working, nothing feels broken, but growth creates gaps. You add people, systems, vendors, and no one fully rechecks how all of it fits together today. If your first thought is, our IT team has this or our provider is handling it, they are. They're doing exactly what they're designed to do, keep systems running. What they're not designed to do is continuously validate that everything still aligns with your business as it operates today, end to end. So decisions get made based on what's assumed to be true, not what's been verified. That's the gap. AtNet's process was built to close it, not with more tools, not by replacing your team, by taking ownership of what no one owns today, accountability for the full picture, because right now you're confident in things that are based on assumption. That's the reality of a growing business. We start with a single working session, no pitch, no overhaul, just a clear, honest look at what's actually there. Let's find your blind spots and close the gap.